Hello friends, suppose if I ask you that you want the sales reps to get only particular options for the products to be added to a quote, then how will you proceed? So let's see this. Suppose we are on this quote and we go to the edit lines, then we will get the quote line editor page, and this is the add product action. So if I want the sales reps to able to see only particular products in this add product, clicking on this add product action and going to the add product page, only some particular product should be visible here depending on the filter. So you can see a filter option here, and these are some filters on this action. Okay, so these are the filters I have made myself. So before this there are some default filters. Okay, so if we create our own filters, then first of all the default filters will get overridden and our filters will get the preference. Okay, so there are two ways to do this. Either we can make the filters according to our need on to the existing action, or we can also create a new action. Okay, so let's create a new action, and in that action I will create a button where user is able to add the products and will be able to see the products only whose product family is hardware. So we need to filter the products. So we will go to the object called custom actions. You can navigate it using app launcher. You can go to the custom action object. Let's create a new custom action. Custom action is basically this, like this add product action. So let's create a new custom action and we can name it anything. Let's name it add product, similar to this one. And this display order will determine the lower the order, the leftmost side the action will be. Suppose it's or this current action order is 4 and our action order is 3, then our action will be to the left of it. Let's give the order as 1, and this is just type, so our type is button. Make sure to make it active and make it default, and this is just for that color, like brand button. And this is the URL. If you want to target to a particular URL, leave this, and we want it on the quote line editor page. This is the quote line editor page, and the location will be quote and group. Okay, the action, this is the action that this custom action will perform. So you can see a already existing list of actions. So we need to add the product, so let's select add products. We can give the label as well, and this is the icon which will be visible just for the design of that icon. You can select various type of angles like circle empty, chevron upright. Okay, and this is the description. If I write something here, then if you hover over that button, that text will be visible. So let's save this. First of all, our action. Now this is okay. Let's first refresh this page. Okay, so you can see our action here. This is our action, add products, and you will see that I have named the action as add product. No, the name that will be visible is that this label name. Like we have add product and we have other options as well here. Can give it any name. Okay. So, and why is it coming in this way? Because brand button is checked. Okay. So this is just a simple add product button, and you will get some filters which I have created previously. Okay. So I want some new filters here. Okay. So first of all, removing the existing filters, you can see the list of products. But what I want is I want the user to be able to see only products which have the product family as hardware. So I need to create a filter. So for filter also we have an object called search filter. You can go to the related, in the custom action you will see a search filter option. Clicking on new, you will create a search filter. Let's name the filter as filter product. Okay, the target product is product. This is the order of the filter. Okay, like this is the, suppose its order is 1, its order is 2, and our filter order is 3, then it will appear here, the third order. So let's give the order as 1 currently, And target field is, what is a target field? It's product family, because we are making it hardware. Equals to, this is the value, so let's give the exact name, hardware. H is capital. Okay, so it will filter on this basis. And there is an option called hidden. You can see an option called hidden. If I click here hidden, if I check this, then this filter will be visible and invisible. It won't be visible here, it will be auto applied, and the user won't be able to clear the filter. Like here in the existing filter there is a clear field option, but as the filter won't be visible, then the user won't be able to edit, and hence we are making it compulsory for our sales reps to choose from the existing options only. So we can make, let's first of all make it not hidden. Okay, you can leave this, and I think it is okay. So let's see whether the filter is applied. Clicking on the add product, the filters. Now here you can see our filter product, and the which is default value, it is hardware, because we have selected hardware here in the search filter. You can see product family is equal to hardware, but that doesn't mean that user can't change it. Currently they can. Let's click on clear fields and click on apply, then the user can see all the options. But what we want is, we don't want the user to be allowed to clear the fields. That means we want to confine them to the hardware product family products. Okay, like these products only. So what we will do, we will make the filter as hidden, checking the hidden box, so that user is not able to clear it. Refreshing it again. Now on the add product page, going to filter, you won't be able to see this filter anymore. And these filters are just for practice. I have created before. You can clear these filters. Clicking on apply, you will see only those products which a product family as hardware is getting shown here, and the sales rep is not able to change it at all. So they can choose the products only from here. Suppose I want to add some products to a code, then the only option is choose the products where the product family is hardware. So we are confining our sales reps. That is, we are helping them to create a code and modifying a code. So this is the way. Thanks for watching. And in the next video, I will show you how can we change the fields which are displayed here. This page is called port line editor. These are called port lines. And if I want to add some new field here, suppose between additional discount and net unit price field, and how to do that, and also how can we change the order. So we will see that in the upcoming video. Thanks a lot.